You did everything right. Great school, strong salary, impressive title. On paper, it shines. But late at night, you check your balance, and it stings. Big deposits in, almost nothing left. The truth, we're nudged to spend, not save. Have this by 30? Upgrade now. Friends' houses, new cars, perfect vacations. The pressure to keep up is relentless. You tell yourself you've earned it, but the joy fades fast. The cost? Persistent financial stress. Lifestyle inflation is the most subtle and dangerous financial trap for ambitious professionals. As your income increases, your spending increases to match it, or even exceed it. You get that long-awaited promotion and a 15% raise. Instead of accelerating savings or investments, you see it as a license to upgrade your life. Your modest one-bedroom suddenly feels cramped, so you move into a larger two-bedroom in a trendier neighborhood. Your reliable Toyota looks dated next to the Audis, so you take on a hefty monthly payment. It all feels logical, with great-sounding justifications. You work hard and deserve it, yet the fruits are perishable. The thrill fades. The higher rent and car payments stay. The raise gets absorbed. You run faster but don't move forward. Consider this common scenario. Let's imagine a common scenario. A bright software engineer lands her first job out of college. The offer letter reads $80,000 a year. It feels like a monumental achievement, a ticket to the life she's always dreamed of. This isn't just a salary, it's a symbol of success and newfound independence. She's smart with her money. She sets up a budget, lives comfortably within her means, and even manages to put a little aside into a savings account each month. Her weekends are filled with hobbies she loves, and she takes a well-deserved vacation once a year. Life is good, balanced, and financially stable. Then, after 2 years of hard work, a promotion comes through. Her salary jumps to $120,000. That's an extra $40,000 a year, an incredible 50% raise. Her first thought is about how much faster she can build her savings, but then a different mindset slowly creeps in. Instead of saving the extra $40,000, she starts thinking about what that money could her right now. She upgrades to a $3,000 apartment with a pool and a gym. It feels like a reward she's earned. The small upgrades begin to stack up. Weekly meal kits replace cooking to save time. Weekend trips become spontaneous international flights. Each decision feels small in isolation, a minor luxury. But together, her expenses silently balloon. Soon, she realizes that despite earning 50% more, the financial pressure feels exactly the same as it did at $80,000. The buffer is gone. This is the trap of the golden handcuffs, a comfortable, high-end lifestyle that looks like success from the outside, but internally locks you into a cycle of high costs and financial fragility. With fixed costs so high, it becomes harder to save, invest, or take calculated risks. The very things that build true, long-term wealth are pushed to the back burner. You feel stuck. You can't quit your high-stress job to start a business, take a much-needed sabbatical, or even comfortably weather an unexpected job loss. Your lifestyle depends entirely on that next paycheck. Your salary, which was supposed to provide freedom, has become the bars of a very comfortable cage. Now, this isn't your fault. It's the powerful pull of the consumer default. Society tells us to upgrade our lives with every pay raise. But you don't have to accept that default. You can consciously choose a different path. The second force keeping high earners broke is the normalization of debt. Borrowing is sold as smart. Pre-approved limits arrive in your mailbox. Low monthly and buy now, pay later tempt you to defer cost. These are invisible chains designed to drain your income before it becomes wealth. High-interest consumer debt is the most insidious. Carrying a balance means paying massive premiums. It's money thrown away, not building equity or returns. Minimums are designed to keep you in debt, making issuers rich. Put $5,000 on a new card at 22%. Plan to pay quickly. Life happens. Minimum $150 takes over 4 years and more than $2,500 in interest. That could have gone to the S&P 500. Instead, you feel behind, working to pay for the past. Now, for the third and most critical reason you might be staying broke. You're ignoring the single most powerful law of wealth creation. Pay yourself first. This isn't just a clever tip. It's a fundamental mindset shift that has been the cornerstone of wealth for centuries, a principle that separates financial security from perpetual struggle. And let's be clear, this doesn't mean treating yourself to a nice dinner or a new gadget. It means the very first transaction after your paycheck hits your account is a transfer to your future. A non-negotiable portion, say 10 to 20%, moves directly into your savings and investment accounts. Before you pay your rent, your car payment, or even buy groceries, you pay your future self. Think of it as the most important bill you have each month. A bill from your future, more prosperous self. Unfortunately, most people operate on the exact opposite principle, a spend first, save what's left model. Money flows out to bills, subscriptions, and daily expenses. By the time the end of the month rolls around, there's often little to nothing left to save. It's a recipe for financial stagnation. This happens because spending naturally expands to fill available income, a concept known as Parkinson's Law. Without a system, that raise or bonus gets absorbed, making real, consistent saving nearly impossible. Our brains are wired for the instant reward of a purchase, while the reward of saving feels distant and abstract. We have to fight our own psychology. That's why it's so easy to spend and weirdly hard to invest. The solution is to automate your savings. Set up recurring transfers for the day you get paid. This removes willpower and decision fatigue from the equation entirely. The system does the hard work for you. The money is whisked away to your investment and savings accounts before you even have a chance to miss it or spend it. This single, automated habit is the quiet secret of the effortlessly wealthy. The answer isn't a draconian budget or denying pleasure. It's surgical and strategic. Make one significant cut to free substantial cash flow. Your big win. Analyze spending to find large recurring costs that don't bring proportional joy. Don't obsess over lattes. Look at rent, car payments, subscriptions, and food spending. Is the $30,500 apartment truly making you happier than $2,500? Is $700 for a brand new SUV worth the stress? Pick a big win and create a plan. Start today. Prep for lower rent at lease end. Consider downsizing your car, even if it feels like a step back. Cut dining out by 30% by cooking 2 more meals each week, freeing $450 a month. This is conscious spending. Redirect cash to what you truly value. Confronting multiple high-interest balances is overwhelming. The solution is straightforward: ruthless prioritization. Stop high-interest bleed quickly. Every moment costs money. Make minimums on all debts. Target the highest APR with every extra dollar. List each debt with balance, minimum, and APR. Seeing numbers in black and white is eye-opening. Your mission is clear. Destroy the highest interest debt first. Automate minimums. Choose a fixed extra amount. Use your $450 big win. Add it every month automatically to accelerate payoff. When one debt is gone, roll the full amount to the next. It's the fastest, most efficient path, freeing your income to build wealth. Let's talk about the single most powerful principle separating the temporarily rich from the permanently wealthy: paying yourself first through automation. This isn't just a clever trick, it's a fundamental shift in mindset. It's about designing a system that works for you, even when your motivation wanes, because it removes the daily battle against impulse spending and decision fatigue. You're going to build a financial machine where your savings and investments are automatically funded the moment your paycheck lands. This is crucial. By making these transfers happen before you even see the money in your primary checking account, you eliminate the temptation to spend it. It's the ultimate out-of-sight, out-of-mind strategy for wealth creation. Your automated system needs 2 distinct destinations. First, a high-yield savings account for stability. This is for your emergencies and specific short-term goals. Second, an investment account for long-term growth, where your money can truly work to build your empire. Your savings bucket is your financial shield. It holds your emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. Plus, funds for big purchases like a down payment or a dream vacation. This money needs to be safe and accessible. Your investment bucket is your engine for growth. Here, we prioritize low-cost index funds that track the broad market. This is where you harness the power of compounding to outpace inflation and build real, lasting wealth. So, how do you do it? Log into your payroll provider or bank account and set up a recurring transfer. Route a set percentage of your income to these accounts before it ever hits your checking. This money goes to work for you, silently and consistently, while you live your life. Your first priority is capturing your full employer 401k match. This is an immediate guaranteed return on your investment. Not taking it is like turning down a raise. It is non-negotiable free money. Second, open a Roth IRA and automate a transfer for the day after payday. Don't get paralyzed by the amount. Start with 10% of your income if you can, or even just $100 a month. The most important step is simply to start. Inside your retirement accounts, choose a simple diversified option like a target date fund or a broad market index fund. The goal here is consistency, not complexity. Set it and let it grow. Finally, make this system dynamic. Every time you get a raise or a bonus, before you get used to the extra income, increase your automatic savings percentage. This is called lifestyle creep prevention, and it's the accelerator pedal for your wealth. This is how you build an empire, not through luck, but through consistent, automatic, and ever-increasing investment over years. You now see the three forces and the three actions to defeat them. This is a new blueprint. Shift from passive spending and debt to a deliberate path of ownership and wealth. With an emergency fund, no high-interest debt, and automated investing, you can spend guilt-free. A rich life means saying yes to what matters, experiences, choices, and peace of mind. See yourself as the CEO of your money. Focus on big wins and systems to handle the rest. Each debt paid and contribution made is a vote for freedom and abundance. You know, lifestyle inflation is eating your raises, debt is a trap, and the rule is to pay yourself first. Take 10 minutes right now to set up a system that changes your trajectory. Open a new tab, log in. Set your first automatic transfer to savings or investments. It doesn't have to be big, just start. Stop saying later. Later is a myth that keeps you broke. Do this instead. Start today.